Hey folks, this is Chuck. About a year ago, I did a video on putting these eBay hard bags on my Softail. I think I paid a little around $250 for them. The paint's pretty much excellent on them, and I just wanted to give you kind of a little update of something else that I figured out on these bags. So in this video, I'm just going to show you a little bit about what I found. These bags have held up on my bike for quite a while now since I put them on there. I haven't got any complaints. The only thing I wanted to show you in this video, and I'll lift the lid up here on the bag, is I'm getting ready to do some camping here soon. I'm going to put a little bit more weight in these bags, so I inspected them. And when I took the nut and bolt loose on the bracket here that holds the bag on, I noticed that the bolt was starting to chew at the fiberglass a little bit from the vibration, and it was tight. So, but what I did is I went and put big washers on here so you get a little bit more meat, on the fiberglass. So if you're putting these on your bike, that's what I would suggest you do. Go with the big washers, and I don't think you'll have the issue. I won't know till I get out there with some weight in here and recheck them again, but that's what I did. The other thing I wanted to show you on these bags is they got a real nice lockdown mechanism on here. The handle, controls the whole mechanism, and you just shut your lid, lock it down, and it even has a key lock on them. Now I don't know what they cost now. Back when I bought mine, they were around 250 bucks. I'm sure with everything else, they've probably gone up a little bit. I haven't checked eBay to see what they're going for now, but they're still good bags, and I think if you get them, you'll like them. Hopefully this video is a little bit helpful when you're installing your bags. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. I'm trying to get this channel eventually monetized. I'm still learning how to edit and whatnot, but I'd like to start making a couple bucks like everybody else is. Be safe and be safe riding. Take care. See you on the next one.